I knew video was important, but every time I tried to create one, it took too long, felt too complicated, and slowed everything down. Video gets attention, video sells. But traditional video creation means editing software, timelines, and endless revisions. Not scalable. Then I realized something important. The problem wasn't content. The problem was production speed. That's when I found AI Video Builder. AI Video Builder uses artificial intelligence to create professional videos automatically. Marketing videos, ads, social media content, all generated in minutes, not days. You enter your text or script, choose a style. Let the AI build the video. No editing skills required. Suddenly, video wasn't a bottleneck anymore. I could create more content, publish faster, and focus on growth instead of editing. AI Video Builder doesn't replace creativity. It removes friction between ideas and execution. If you want to create videos the smart way, click the link in the description below. You'll find a special discount offer for AI Video Builder there. Try it yourself and turn ideas into videos faster than ever.